Hi Dressed Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw gold from ItsFunneh, so let's get started. To draw cute gold, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And then I'm going to come right next to it, say about right here, and draw another circle. So now that I have my two circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes. So I'm going to come in here with two smaller circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There, so now the eyes in, let's come to the sides right here, and I'm just going to spruce them up with some lashes. So come right here, and we're just going to spruce up one big thick lash, maybe another one here, the top, maybe another one. Just play around with it, see how many lashes you want to put. You can even put some on the bottom right here, just to spruce them up. And let's do the same thing here. So we just want one big long one, and then another one, and maybe one more. And then of course, maybe two little ones on the side. Then from there, let's go above the eye about right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and just draw a soft curve for the brow and just thicken it up. And same thing over here. And thicken it up. So now that we have that in, let's go ahead and give her a sweet smile. So right in between the eyes, about right here, we're just going to go ahead, draw a soft curve and cap it off. So slightly higher on this side right here. Then from there, we're going to have to frame her face. So let's come right next to her, really close, the top of her eye, come out about right here. And we're just going to start to draw the bottom of a U. So same thing on this side, just really close. And I'll just give myself a point right in the center, let's say about right here. I'll just give myself a point so I know where I'm going. And I'm just going to try my best to draw the bottom of a U here to connect to this point. So definitely turn your body or the paper, whatever you need to do to help you draw this curve. So same thing here. There, my wobbly curve. This is always the trickiest part. It's so delicate. Okay. So now that we have her face shape in, let's go ahead and draw her hair. So for gold hair, we're going to, let's see, let's just imagine an oval. So let's say about right here, like the center of this eye. I'll just give myself a point right here. And then from there, I'm going to draw this curve that comes all the way down. So her hair splits right there, and we're just going to bring it all the way down. It hits her eye, and then the other curve, we're just going to draw one strand. But right here, everything's just going to hit the lashes, and that's totally okay. And right here, we're just going to add a strand. And then whatever space you have left, just finish it up. Then from there, we're going to come right up here, draw another curve to connect to that curve for her face. And then let's go up. So her hair part's right here. So just imagine the curve. So about right here, just draw a little line, and this is where it's going to go up, and this part's going to come down. So let's work on this side. So let's go up nice and high. And we're going to come down. So nice and full. So then about right here, let's use this curve and we're going to draw some strands. So bring this down, and then about right here, we're going to draw another curve to connect it. But we're going to go past it and come out, draw a curve. So then come back right here, it's just easier for my hand. I'm going to draw another strand and then thicken it up. And then whatever space you have right here, we're just going to go ahead and finish it up and tuck it in. There. And then on this side, we're going to come right here next to that strand, and we're just going to bring this down, and about right here we're going to bring in a curve, create one strand on the side of her face, and then this is going to come down close to it, and I'll just stop there for now until I finish the rest of her body. So I'll just bring this in a little bit more, just add a little bit more detail. Okay, so then let's work on her body before we finish the rest of her hair. So right in the center, let's give her a little neck, and we're going to come down and then out for her shoulders. So small little body. Very chibi, right? Okay, so then now that we have that, let's go ahead. We're going to draw her neckline and another curve for her outfit. And let's imagine her armpits would be about right here and here. I'll just give myself a point, and from there I'm just going to draw a slight angle line out. Then from there we can, let's come back in here and we're going to draw this beautiful jewel that's on her necklace. A big curve, and then come in here for another one, a teardrop shape. And using this part, we're going to go across with a curve and down for the top of her dress. From there, let's bring this down a little bit more, and then we're going to bring it in. So this is her top, and connect it with a curve, just a slight curve. Then we're going to have to draw one more layer, so we're going to come in a little bit and flare it out on both sides, and then we're just going to connect it with a bunch of curves. So just go across, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, whatever you want to fit in. And then we're going to come back right here and draw her skirt. So we're just going to flare it out and flare it out. And let's bring it out a little bit more to about right there and there. So pretty even, and then I'm just going to go across some bigger curves and then just go ahead and connect there. And then now to draw her legs. So right in the center, about here, here, and here. So let's work on this side first. So I'm just making it simple. We're just going to come down with a slight angle, and about right, let's see, bring it down a little bit more. So we're just drawing her boots. So it's just get a little bit thinner as we come down here, and then about right here I'm going to flare it out a little bit and then connect with a curve there. And it kind of slightly goes inwards. So let's do the same thing over here. And here. And then we're just going to come inwards on this side now. And connect. There. Okay, so we have the shape in. Then from there, let's go ahead. We're going to break it up about right here for her boots. And to decorate them, let's see here. It's very detailed, but I'll try my best with my Sharpie. I'm going to come out, come down, and then angle. And go out, down again. And then, let's see here, towards about right here, angle out and in. So same thing here. Down, angle, I don't think I have enough space, but I will try just kind of this elongated diamond in here. So hopefully you can see what I'm doing. There, something like that. So same thing over here. Maybe I can do a better job on this side. And another one. There, a little bit better. Okay, so then from there, let's draw her hands. So we're going to really simplify them. We're just going to bring this down close to her body, come in a little bit towards her waist, and then we're going to flare it out and then just curve it in. And then same thing over here. Just come in and then flare it out. There. And then let's see here on this side, she has a little arm bracelet here, so we're going to cut it off about right here, and I'll just add in these details really quickly without going too overboard. There. And then on this side she has this glove thing going on, so we'll just add it right here and here and here. So hopefully I have it right. And then there's another line here for her beautiful outfit, and then just gonna come in here lightly, draw these shapes in here. So it's like a little cutout on there. And there's another layer here. So just trying to draw only the necessary details, and then some crease lines here and here. And hopefully I've gotten everything on her outfit that's necessary. And then now for her hair. And we're just going to come right in this area. We're going to taper it in and then curve out. I love this part of her hair because it's kind of swept to one side. So then about right here, we're just going to curve and put in one strand and up. And you can come in here if you like, add another curve for a strand. And let's see here if I'm missing anything. And that is pretty much it. So hopefully I have captured this version of Gold from ItsFunneh, my Draw So Cute version of her, and I hope you really love her as much as the one I drew of Kat a while ago. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you out today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.